Let us look at today's relevant happenings. Second Indian-born woman to fly to space. Indian origin Sirisa Bandla is said to become the second Indian-born woman to fly into space after Kalpana Chawla. Sirisa was born in Tenali. She was raised in Houston, Texas, in the United States of America. Sirisa will fly into space as a part of billionaire Richard Branson's Unity 22 mission aboard Virgin Galactic flight, also called VSS Unity. She will be a part of the 6-member crew that will fly to the edge of the space on July 11th. On the same occasion, Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group, is said to become the first billionaire to go to space, whereas world's richest man, Jeff Bezos, is scheduled to fly into space in New Shepard rocket on July 20th from Van Horn, Texas. Sirisa will become the second Indian-born woman to fly to space. Also, she will be the fourth Indian who will be flying into space. The other Indians who went to space include Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, and Sunita Williams. Jammu and Kashmir administration bans drones. The Jammu and Kashmir administration banned the sale, possession, storage, transport, and use of drones or any other unmanned aerial vehicles in the capital, Srinagar. The decision has been taken a week after 2 Indian Air Force personnel were injured in twin drone-driven blast at an Air Force base in Jammu. Union Education Minister launches Nipun Bharat program. Nipun Bharat aims to cover the learning needs of children in the age group of 3 to 9 years. This mission, which has been launched under the aegis of the centrally sponsored scheme of Samagra Shiksha, will focus on providing access and retaining children in foundational years of schooling. Nipun Bharat is envisaged to support and encourage students along with their schools, teachers, parents, and communities in every way possible to help realize the true potential of our children and propel the country to new heights. Army Chief M.M. Naravane to inaugurate War Memorial in Italy. The Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Naravane has embarked on a 4-day visit to the United Kingdom and Italy. The Army Chief will be inaugurating the Indian Army Memorial in the famous town of Cassino in Italy and will also be briefed at the Italian Army's Counter IED Center of Excellence at Rome. The War Memorial in Cassino town has been built to pay homage to over 5,000 Indian soldiers who lost their lives fighting the Japanese and the German forces during the Second World War. 6 Indian soldiers who were part of the Allied contingents fighting for the liberation of Italy had also received the prestigious Victoria Cross. Throughout the world, Indian soldiers have proved their toughness and ability with true courage and grit, making the entire nation proud. So these were the relevant happenings of today. I hope you like this initiative. If you find the video as relevant as the happenings, kindly like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.